Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be doing some top speed runs in the Nismo. Before I start, I want to say all the mods done to this car real quick. So first off, we have short ram intakes. I don't know what brand, but we got drilled and slotted rotors installed. We have a stage 3 clutch, a South Bend stage 3 clutch. We have the stock exhaust with Megan test pipes, stock Y, and stock headers. I went and got my maintenance done. I didn't do the spark plugs yet, but I did my serpentine belt. That's brand new before 100K. Also did a new oil change, and I also did a coolant flush and put new coolant inside the car. All before 100K is all good maintenance you should do. Also, I gotta do the spark plug, so that's gonna be coming real soon. Let's give this bad boy a cold start. Alright guys, I got the GoPro running. Let's go do some top speed runs. We're gonna do a little 20 roll, 40 roll, 50, 60. I'm gonna just test the waters and see. Yeah, if you guys were wondering, I got Kumo tires on this car. They're pretty grippy, so my second gear doesn't chirp that often. I also got a stage 3 South Bend clutch with flywheel. Also, when you're doing runs, make sure you take traction control off. TCS. All right, guys, here we go. The video you guys been waiting for. We're gonna do some top speed runs. Let me let this truck go past real quick. All right, here we go. First gear, 20 roll. Great googly moogly. This shit is fucking fast. Nah, please stop. This shit's slow as hell. I hope this guy over here stopped in the fucking cut isn't for me, nigga. I was over here banging gears up and down this road. So that was the first gear 20 roll. Now we're gonna do a 40, a 50, and a 60. If I could even turn around on this little ass shit. Oh shit, that's a steep ass drop. Fuck all that. bitch. But I look like the boys behind me. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Getting the fuck out of here. Do the dash, bitch. Made the block way too hot. I don't know why I started the 40 in first gear, but whatever. Alright, let me let this man get some space. I'm gonna do a second gear 40 roll. That man get some space. Are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh hell no! They got a fucking. Hold on, they got a truck up here. Damn, I was about to fly right past this nigga and get bagged up. Oh, I think that's the sheriff too. Is it? What the fuck is that? Damn, it wasn't even a sheriff. Ruined my roll, man. Fuck on my way, little nigga. You guys ready? Second gear 40. Go with the 50. Y'all ready? Did that shit just backfire or was that my trans, nigga? That was my trans. I need to chill out. That shit about to blow the hell up. Last one, 60 roll. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me abusing the fuck out of my Nismo. If you guys did, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. Your boy is on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Help me out. Bless me real quick. I'm trying to put on for Florida. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in one you feet. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.